Hello everybody from Detroit.
It's the Kellys in Detroit.
It's windy. We're
Don't lose your hat. All right, let's
we are in Detroit tonight, which is very close to our hometown. And tonight we are dining in the dark.
Boom. Spooky.
Yes. And we're really excited about this experience.
Very excited. For those of you watching our videos, please subscribe, like, and comment. We really appreciate it, and we try our best to reply to every comment.
Absolutely. All right, so let's talk a little bit about what we're doing tonight. I did a fever event before with my friend Steph where we did Disney songs and songs from movies, like a candle. This looks like a cowboy hat when it goes up. Was like candlelit songs. So Fever went ahead and emailed me about other things such as dining in the dark. And I think we had talked about it before.
Yeah, I thought we saw it on TV. We were like, oh, that looks fun.
That would be cool. So tonight is at Andiamos, which is a local like Italian and kind of steakhouse. And what they did is they gave you the option of vegetarian or meat or fish. And we both chose meat.
I learned my lesson in Mozambique.
And then they asked us, if we have any dietary or allergies, and I think we actually write it again when we go in. And then we have to be there 15 minutes before. And then I don't know how filming Dining in the Dark is gonna go. I know they're not allowing like you to use your phones because they don't want to ruin the ambiance, but we're hoping maybe we can record like some audio because I'm just imagining Brian trying to cut a steak without being able to look at it.
I think we might be able to do that. Just do an audio recording, like voice memo on our phones or something.
Something like that. So that is where we're gonna be eating. And now it's too cold and windy, so we're gonna go in here and sit. That's your Detroit view for the night. So we've just been sitting here having drinks. We ran into one of my clients, so we've been chatting with them, and then now we're about to go in. These are our blindfolds. Brian thinks he's a wine expert because he went to one wine tasting. It's pretty funny.
Ask you, do you like fresh Michigan blueberries, or do you like blueberries that are baked in a pot?
I like
Climate. All right, so you like warmer climate.
Yeah.
So you would have told me that you like fresh blueberries. You like high acid, and I would go in a cooler climate. Is that interesting?
That is interesting.
Yes.
We talked to the sommelier, and we think we're gonna get a bottle of wine, but we're gonna try it first.
Hello, so Brian and I are here at Dining in the Dark, and I'm presenting one of my favorite grape varietals from the Tuscany region. It's called Bracchetto d'Acqui. And let's see what Brian thinks.
Yeah, let's see what Brian thinks. His second day ever drinking wine.
So it's a lovely fresh wine. What does it smell like?
It smells like summer.
Summer.
Yeah.
Fresh. Very fresh.
You're gonna like this.
I think we got a winner.
Yes, I like that a lot. I'd like it even better in the dark, probably. How is Brian, clumsy Brian, going to pick up a wine glass in the dark with a blindfold on? He's gonna fall out of his chair.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
I'm excited because I think it's going to really titillate our senses of everything because we can't see it. So I hope it's cool and worth $160.
So they just turned down the lights, and I think we're gonna have the blindfold soon. And I'm really excited to try. We overheard that the food's gonna be pork. I don't think we were supposed to know that, but we overheard it, and we'll see how things go. And if not, I'm sure some ghosts are gonna appear because it's really dark in here. All right, let's see what happens.
Yes, I can't see anything. Let me try to grab my wine.
Like a Ninja Turtle.
I wonder if you've gotten any sexier since I put my blindfold on. Can't tell.
Well, I'm older, so yeah.
I can't see anything.
I hope you're wearing 2 napkins like I am.
I have one on my lap and one on my shirt.
Yes, you had the Brian. This is gonna be a disaster. You know what would be funny is if you were blindfolded this whole time and I wasn't. I was just having a regular dinner. I could grab your wine glass right now.
Don't. It's mine.
I should take it and you wouldn't even know.
I feel like you just got up from your chair. Ryan.
I went to the bathroom. I'm so funny.
All right, I'm putting your starter right here in front of you.
Okay.
So basically, it's the shape of a ball. It's very traditional Italian starter dish. You can use your fork and your knife, and I will top off your meatball.
Thank you.
It smells wonderful.
What's Italian that's a ball? A meatball?
I'm worried about missing things on my plate. There was nothing on my fork.
I feel like we need to eat with our hands. I just keep hitting my fork to my plate and just hoping.
You know, but I had one really big bite. I feel like I'd be really skinny if I ate like this all the time. I'm having fun with this. I do want to use my hands.
I do too.
This is very frustrating.
You figure out what you're eating?
Uh-huh. A meatball.
Nope, no meatball, no meat.
Oh.
Way off.
Wow.
Ryan, you suck.
Vegetable-y kind of thing.
I'm really bad at this.
There's cheese and
did get
risotto.
cheese.
Risotto. It's arancini. So seasoned risotto, mozzarella cheese, and tomato sauce.
It's very good.
like
It's crunchy in the flavor because they drop the ball in a flash fry. It takes an hour to make it and 10 seconds to eat it.
Yeah, well, a little longer than 10 seconds.
Okay.
Like, I would drink this wine, like, it's better tasting than 99% of the beers ever.
Yeah, because beer is disgusting, Brian.
Well, I mean, don't get me wrong, I think it goes great with certain things, but like, beer by itself is like, good. This by itself is good.
The dishes are right in front of you.
Okay.
I want you to use your fork and your knife and enjoy.
I cannot see a single.
I don't know what I'm even doing.
I don't know what I'm cutting.
It's got a sauce on it.
That's some sort of pasta.
Whatever it is big. I just followed it around my plate.
I keep picking up something that's drippy like pasta. I'm really bad at this. That was a potato. I need my wine. Uh-oh. Brian, are you still there?
Yup.
Figure out what you had.
I can guess that there were potatoes.
It's the gnocchi with potato filling.
Oh, we learned how to make gnocchi before. Like
So basically you had a wild boar ragu. Cool. On top of a gnocchi.
Awesome.
And you do have another bite left in there.
Got the hiccups now.
Really excited for the dessert because we are dessert champions.
Undefeated.
You can use your fingers.
Okay.
It's very traditional Italian dessert.
I know what these are. It's a cannoli.
Delicious. I'm literally licking my plate.
They already took mine because I crushed it. So this might be more of a reflection upon us, but we definitely were the first table done eating all 3 courses. There are still people that just got their dessert, and we've been sitting here probably for about 10 minutes.
However, I think we were very good at figuring out where our food was on our plate and shoveling it into our mouths. But we were very bad at figuring out what it was. Turn my blindfold into a fashion accessory.
I like my headband.
It's our chase card, because 3 times the points for dining. Okay. I now have a tie. Brian now has a ninja hood. We're headed back to the car.
No, the experience was great. Eating blindfolded was a challenge. We were definitely really good at shoveling the food in our mouths. More so than we were at picking out what we were actually eating.
I had no idea.
Our taste buds are
Absolutely
not
no idea.
great, except for dessert, which we're undefeated dessert champions.
We know our dessert.
Yes. So,
hiccup.
yeah, you got a dessert you want us to eat, blindfold us, we'll tell you what it is. But that's about it.
Yes, so the whole experience was $160 for just purchasing the tickets in advance. We just walked out of there paying about $100 because we got a bottle of wine, and then there was tip, and then we tipped a little bit more. And then of course we had some drinks beforehand, but you know, $160 for a date night, like,
It's okay.
it was a cool experience. Do I want to do it every day? No. Every week? No. Every month? No. But
Maybe every 2 months.
once a year.
Every 3 months.
Or if the menu changed all the time, it'd definitely
Yeah.
be interesting. So yeah, very
I
fun
also
time.
got invited to go to wine class.
Brian, are you gonna take
Yeah.
a wine class?
I might. It's once a month.
All right, let's go home. Thanks, guys, for coming to dinner with us. I hope
Thank
it
you.
was entertaining.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.
Bye. Scooters. We're definitely not gonna do scooters because we would probably fall. Maybe next time we come to Detroit.
Get some videos of me falling.